Good morning, class 4th. Today we are going to read page number 13 of chapter 3, Beacon Sense. So, open page number 13 in your EBS book and take a pencil to underline hard words or to fill empty places. Now, I am going to start reading. So, you can see the purple box, which is fun time. Here is a list of some fruit and vegetables. Some of them are smooth to touch while some are rough. Put the names in the correct column. So you can see that there are some names of fruits and vegetables and you have to categorize them as smooth surface and rough surface. So you have to write them in the column of smooth and in the column of rough according to their surface when you touch them. So try to memorize their outer surface or outer covering. Now we are going to start from spinach. Spinach has hard surface, so you have to put it or you have to write it in the column of rough. Next, potato has rough surface or it has a smooth surface. Guess? Actually, potato has a smooth surface, so you have to write potato in the column of smooth. Now next, banana. Banana has a smooth surface, we all know, so you have to write it in the column of smooth. Next, bitter gourd. Bitter gourd has rough surface, so you have to write it in the column of rough. Next, cauliflower. Cauliflower also has rough surface or rough outer covering, so you have to write it in the column of rough. Pineapple also have rough surface, so you have to write it in the column of rough. Next, broccoli. Unfortunately, broccoli also has a rough surface, so you have to write it in the column of rough. Next, custard apple. Custard apple is also has outer covering rough. Custard apple also has rough outer covering, so you have to write it in the column of rough. Now, grapes. Luckily, grapes has a smooth surface, so you have to write grapes in the column of smooth. Next, pear. Pear also has a smooth surface, so you have to write it in the column of smooth. So in the column of smooth you have to write banana, potato and grapes and pear, and the rest are in rough surface, are in the column of rough. They are spinach, bitter gourd, cauliflower, pineapple, broccoli, custard, apple. Have to write in the column of rough. Next, kinds of touch. We all like the touch that shows love. When our parents touch us gently, we feel a sensation of warmth. We feel encouraged when we are patted on our back. So, we like when our parents or our teachers touch us gently. It feels sensation of warmth to us. We feel encouraged. We feel happy when they touch us, so we can say that it is a good touch. But the touch of all people is not the same. We feel uncomfortable when some people touch us in an unfriendly way. Touch that makes us uncomfortable is usually a bad touch. We should tell our parents to teachers if someone's touch makes us uncomfortable. So we feel uncomfortable when a stranger touches us in an unfriendly way. We don't like it and we want to run away from him or her. So if we feel uncomfortable when someone touches us, so we should tell it to our parents or our teachers, and we can say that this uncomfortable feeling of touch is known as bad touch. Now grandma is saying something to us. Always trust your feeling. They help to keep you safe by helping you to know a bad or good touch. So always trust about your feeling, that if you feel that someone's touch is not good, that's mean that it is really not good for you. And if you think that someone's touch is good because you know him or her very well, so in this case this touch will be a good touch. Now even animals can differentiate between a good and bad touch. When we pet a dog or cat, it gets tamed and follows us, but if we touch them to tease or hurt them, they respond by attacking us. So even animals can also feel good touch and bad touch. If we touch them gently, they feel love for us, they like it, and they will like it. And if we touch them or touch them unfriendly or hurt them, then in this case they will try to attack on us and they don't like it. So now next Riya wants to know, how do you feel when somebody slaps you? Then how do you feel when somebody slaps you? I think you don't like it, so you can answer in the given space that I don't like when somebody slaps me. Next, is there anybody whose touch makes you feel uncomfortable? So this answer depends on your thinking. If you feel that someone who touches to you which is not give feeling of comfortable, so you can write a tick mark on the box of yes. And if there is no any who touches you and you feel uncomfortable, so you can mark tick on the box of no. So that's all for today, students. Thank you, class.